In the world of Linux, GPU compatibility has always been one of the biggest concerns for users, especially those who rely on NVIDIA graphics cards for gaming, AI workloads, 3D rendering, or professional creative tasks. For many years, Linux users struggled with NVIDIA drivers because the company traditionally focused more on Windows support, while the Linux ecosystem relied heavily on open-source graphics stacks that worked better with AMD hardware. However, things have changed dramatically over the last few years. NVIDIA has invested heavily in improving Linux driver support, releasing more stable proprietary drivers, supporting modern technologies like Vulkan, CUDA, ray tracing, and AI acceleration directly on Linux platforms. As a result, several Linux distributions now ship with native or built-in NVIDIA driver support, meaning users can install the system and immediately benefit from full GPU acceleration without complicated manual configuration. When we talk about native NVIDIA GPU support in a Linux distribution, we are usually referring to distros that either ship with proprietary NVIDIA drivers, pre-installed, or provide an installation option that automatically installs the correct drivers during setup. This dramatically simplifies the experience for beginners, gamers, content creators, and developers who want their GPU to work immediately after installation. In 2026, several distributions have emerged as leaders in this area, offering excellent out-of-the-box compatibility with NVIDIA hardware while maintaining stability, performance, and ease of use. One of the most prominent distributions with strong NVIDIA support is Pop_OS, developed by the hardware company System76 Pop_OS is built on Ubuntu, but heavily optimized for modern hardware and productivity workflows. What makes this distribution unique is that it offers two separate installation images, one designed for AMD and Intel GPUs, and another specifically designed for NVIDIA GPUs. The NVIDIA version includes proprietary drivers already installed, allowing users to boot into a fully accelerated desktop environment immediately after installation without needing to configure anything manually. This approach eliminates the traditional Linux issue where users would install the system only to be greeted by low-resolution graphics or driver conflicts. The operating system includes integrated GPU management tools, performance profiles, and easy access to CUDA libraries, which makes it a favorite among developers and machine learning researchers. Pop_OS also integrates power management and hybrid graphics switching for laptops with both integrated and discrete GPUs. According to official documentation, the system provides complete out-of-the-box support for AMD and NVIDIA GPUs and even offers pre-configured CUDA and machine learning environments for developers working on GPU-accelerated workloads. Another major distribution that works exceptionally well with NVIDIA hardware is Ubuntu. As one of the most widely used Linux distributions in the world, Ubuntu has invested heavily in making hardware compatibility as smooth as possible. The Ubuntu installer includes a simple checkbox labeled Install Third-Party Software for Graphics and Wi-Fi Hardware, which automatically installs proprietary NVIDIA drivers during the installation process. Once the system boots, users can easily manage their GPU drivers using the Additional Drivers tool, which allows them to switch between different driver versions without touching the terminal. Ubuntu's popularity also means that NVIDIA drivers are regularly tested and optimized for the platform. Many commercial applications, including professional creative tools and AI frameworks, are officially tested on Ubuntu because of its stability and large user base. The distribution also benefits from long-term support releases, ensuring that GPU drivers remain stable for several years while still receiving security updates. With modern Ubuntu versions supporting Wayland improvements and new Vulkan driver stacks, NVIDIA GPUs perform significantly better than they did a few years ago. Linux Mint is another distribution that offers excellent compatibility with NVIDIA graphics cards, especially for beginners transitioning from Windows. Mint is based on Ubuntu and inherits most of its hardware support, including NVIDIA driver compatibility. What makes Mint particularly user-friendly is its driver manager tool, which automatically detects the installed GPU and recommends the most stable NVIDIA driver version. With just a single click, users can install proprietary drivers and enable full GPU acceleration. The Cinnamon desktop environment, which resembles the Windows desktop layout, makes it easier for new users to adopt Linux while still benefiting from modern GPU acceleration for video playback, gaming, and graphical applications. Linux Mint also focuses heavily on stability, making it a great choice for people who want a reliable desktop environment without constant system changes. For users with NVIDIA cards who prefer a familiar interface and minimal technical setup, Mint remains one of the safest and easiest options. Garuda Linux represents a very different approach to NVIDIA's support. Built on the Arch Linux ecosystem, Garuda is designed for power users and gamers who want the latest software and maximum performance. Unlike many traditional distributions, Garuda includes several performance optimizations directly in the system, such as custom kernels, gaming utilities, and system tuning tools. Its gaming edition includes software like Steam, Lutris, and performance monitoring tools right out of the box. Because it is based on Arch, Garuda provides extremely up-to-date NVIDIA drivers through its rolling release model. This means users often receive new driver updates much faster than on fixed-release distributions. The system also provides graphical tools that allow users to switch kernels, monitor system performance, and apply performance profiles designed specifically for gaming workloads. For users with powerful NVIDIA GPUs who want cutting-edge performance and customization, Garuda Linux has become one of the most exciting choices in recent years. Another distribution that deserves recognition for its strong NVIDIA support is Bazzite. Bazzite is a gaming-focused Linux distribution built on the Fedora ecosystem and designed to deliver a console-like experience for PC gamers. It is particularly popular among users who want a SteamOS-style environment, but with broader hardware compatibility. The system includes gaming tools like Steam, Lutris, and Heroic Games Launcher, and it ships with proprietary NVIDIA drivers already integrated into the operating system. Because Bazzite uses an immutable system architecture with atomic updates, users can easily roll back to a previous system state if an update causes issues. This makes the distribution both powerful and resilient. Bazzite also supports modern desktop environments like GNOME and KDE Plasma and includes strong controller support for gaming devices and handheld PCs. Importantly, the distribution provides out-of-the-box proprietary NVIDIA driver support, ensuring that gamers with RTX GPUs can access full hardware acceleration immediately after installation. The final distribution worth highlighting is Nobara Linux, which has quickly gained popularity among gamers and content creators. Nobara is a modified version of Fedora created by a developer who works closely with the Proton and gaming ecosystem. The goal of Nobara is to eliminate many of the manual tweaks typically required for Linux gaming. As a result, the distribution includes pre-configured GPU drivers, gaming patches, performance optimizations, and compatibility improvements that make modern games run smoothly on Linux systems. The system includes support for tools like Steam, Lutris, and OBS Studio, along with performance enhancements such as low-latency kernels and improved scheduler configurations. Nobara's installer can automatically configure NVIDIA drivers and gaming dependencies, making it one of the easiest ways to build a Linux gaming system with an NVIDIA GPU. Benchmarks and testing have shown that these optimizations can deliver noticeably better gaming performance compared to stock Fedora installations in certain scenarios. These 5 distributions demonstrate how far Linux has come in terms of NVIDIA compatibility. In the past, installing proprietary drivers often required complicated command line procedures, manual configuration of kernel modules, and troubleshooting display server issues. Today, many distributions provide automated tools that detect hardware and install the correct drivers automatically. Improvements in the NVIDIA driver stack, combined with better integration in modern Linux kernels and desktop environments, have significantly reduced the friction that once discouraged NVIDIA users from switching to Linux. Another factor driving the improvement in NVIDIA support is the rapid growth of Linux gaming. With the success of technologies like Proton, Vulkan, and modern GPU APIs, thousands of Windows games now run on Linux with minimal performance loss. This has encouraged distribution developers to prioritize GPU driver stability and compatibility. Gaming-focused distributions like Nobara, Garuda, and Bazzite have taken this a step further by bundling performance tweaks and gaming tools directly into the operating system, making Linux a viable platform for high-end gaming systems equipped with powerful NVIDIA RTX graphics cards. Driver support itself has also evolved significantly. Modern NVIDIA drivers for Linux support advanced features such as ray tracing, DLSS CUDA acceleration, and hardware video encoding through NVENC. These technologies are essential for professional workflows like video editing, AI model training, and 3D rendering. As Linux adoption grows among developers and creators, distributions are increasingly designed to support these workloads seamlessly. It is also important to mention that while NVIDIA support has improved dramatically, users should still choose their distribution carefully depending on their needs. Stable distributions like Ubuntu and Linux Mint prioritize reliability and long-term support, making them ideal for everyday users and professionals who need a dependable workstation. On the other hand, rolling release distributions like Garuda provide faster access to new drivers and kernel updates, which may deliver better performance for gamers and enthusiasts, but can occasionally introduce instability. Hardware age is another factor to consider. NVIDIA occasionally ends support for older GPU architectures in newer driver releases, which can affect compatibility with certain distributions that prioritize the latest software packages. In some cases, users with older graphics cards may need to rely on legacy driver packages or select distributions that maintain compatibility with older hardware branches. This is particularly relevant for users running GPUs from the Maxwell or Pascal generations, as driver support policies continue to evolve. Looking ahead, the relationship between NVIDIA and the Linux ecosystem appears stronger than ever. NVIDIA has been gradually open-sourcing portions of its kernel driver stack, which could eventually lead to deeper integration with the Linux kernel and better compatibility with Wayland display servers. As these improvements continue, the distinction between AMD and NVIDIA support on Linux may become far less significant than it once was. In summary, Linux users with NVIDIA GPUs now have several excellent distributions to choose from. Pop_OS provides one of the most seamless experiences with dedicated NVIDIA installation images and built-in GPU management tools. Ubuntu offers unmatched stability and widespread support across the software ecosystem. Linux Mint delivers a beginner-friendly desktop with simple driver management tools. Garuda Linux offers cutting-edge performance and customization for power users and gamers. Bazzite focuses on delivering a console-like gaming environment with pre-configured drivers and rollback protection, while Nobara Linux pushes gaming optimization even further with specialized patches and performance tuning. Together, these distributions represent the best options available in 2026 for users who want native NVIDIA GPU support without the traditional headaches associated with driver installation. The evolution of these operating systems reflects a broader transformation within the Linux ecosystem. What was once considered a niche platform for enthusiasts and developers has matured into a powerful, user-friendly environment capable of supporting modern gaming, creative production, and high-performance computing workloads. With native NVIDIA driver integration becoming standard in many distributions, the barrier to entry for GPU users has largely disappeared. For anyone considering switching from Windows to Linux while keeping their NVIDIA hardware, the experience in 2026 is smoother, faster, and more accessible than ever before.